Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 1st, 2024, and we're diving into Amcor's first quarter earnings report for fiscal year 2025. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Amcor, a leader in packaging solutions, has just released its Q1 results, showing a solid start to fiscal 2025. I'm excited to break down the numbers and discuss what they mean for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Amcor reported net sales of $3,353 million, which is a slight decrease from last year. However, the company has shown improvements in profitability. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. While net sales were down by 3% on a reported basis, Amcor's GAAP net income increased to $191 million, and adjusted EPS rose by 5% to 16.2 cents per share. This improvement is largely due to operational efficiencies and cost management, which have helped offset the impact of lower sales volumes.
And I see they've increased their quarterly dividend to 12.75 cents per share. What does this signal to investors?
This dividend increase reflects Amcor's confidence in its cash flow generation and commitment to returning value to shareholders. It's a positive sign that the company is on a stable financial footing.
Segment performance analysis. John, let's delve into the segment performance. How did Amcor's flexibles and rigid packaging segments fare this quarter?
The Flexibles segment reported an adjusted EBIT of $329 million, up 3% on a constant currency basis, with a margin improvement to 12.9%. This was driven by a 3% increase in volumes, despite challenges in healthcare categories. The Rigid Packaging segment maintained its EBIT at $62 million, with a margin increase to 7.7%, thanks to favorable price, mix, and cost actions.
It seems like the company is managing its segments well, despite some headwinds.
Indeed, the focus on cost management and strategic pricing has allowed Amcor to improve its overall EBIT margin to 10.9%, a 50 basis point increase from last year.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, Amcor has reaffirmed its fiscal 2025 guidance. What are the key strategic initiatives driving this outlook?
Amcor's CEO, Peter Konieczny, highlighted the company's focus on enhancing organic growth and building earnings momentum. The guidance for adjusted EPS is set at 72 to 76 cents per share, with free cash flow expected between $900 million and $1 billion. The company plans to leverage its market positions, pursue M&A opportunities, and continue share buybacks.
How does this align with their capital allocation strategy?
Amcor is committed to disciplined execution of its capital allocation framework, which includes reinvesting in the business, strategic acquisitions, and returning cash to shareholders through dividends and buybacks. This strategy is designed to sustain long-term growth and shareholder value.
Risks and challenges. John, what are some of the risks and challenges that Amcor faces in the current market environment?
One of the main challenges is the softness in volumes, particularly in healthcare and North America beverage categories, which impacted overall sales. Additionally, the company reported a free cash outflow of $395 million, primarily due to higher inventories and capital expenditures. Net debt stands at $6,872 million, with a leverage ratio of 3.5 times, which is something to monitor closely.
How is Amcor addressing these challenges?
Amcor is focusing on cost management and restructuring initiatives to mitigate these risks. The company expects leverage to decrease to or below 3.0x by the end of fiscal 2025, which should help improve its financial flexibility.
Key takeaways. In summary, Amcor has delivered a solid start to fiscal 2025 with strong profitability and strategic initiatives in place. The company has reaffirmed its guidance, increased its dividend, and is working towards reducing leverage. John, any final thoughts?
Amcor's performance this quarter demonstrates its resilience and strategic focus. While there are challenges, the company's proactive measures and strong guidance provide a positive outlook for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Amcor's performance in the comments below.